Displaying and editing tabular data is a common use case for modern web applications. Our grid is a JavaScript component that provides the ability to create rich featured data grids with desktop-like performance. The purpose of this video is to highlight some grid features that can be quite useful in business applications. First of all, we would like to mention the ability of grid to handle the footer with dynamically changed values. It can be easily added with one line of code. In the left corner we have the number of books in the store, and in the right corner the total price of sold books is displayed. Footer values are calculated automatically on the fly according to the grid content. So, if we edit the grid data in sold items column, we can see how the footer value changes dynamically. The next feature we would like to demonstrate is the ability to group grid data by column. For example, we can group data by author's name. This way we can see books of a specific author in one block. This block of records can be collapsed or expanded. The number of records included in the group is displayed next to the author's name. The grid can be easily ungrouped. All the grouping operations are executed dynamically on the fly and require minimum of coding. In order to find a record within a large amount of data easily, the component offers search functionality. To begin with, let's add one more row with the search box into the header. The search will be carried out within the second column called Book Title. Now we can type in the search box and see that the grid highlights the record which contains the combination of the symbols entered. The grid dynamically searches through the records while the user types in the search box. One more feature we would like to introduce is filtering capabilities. This feature allows users to filter the grid content according to a specific value in a column. To show how it works, we need to create one more row in the grid header. Now we have three types of filters: select box, text box, and filter of numeric values. Select box filter contains individual values of the first column. Choosing one of the options, we get records filtered by author's name, and the value of the footer changes according to the filtered records. Text box filter leaves only records which contain specific characters. The data is filtered dynamically, and the feature works smoothly while we enter filter parameters in a text box. There is also a filter of numeric values. We can set different parameters to the filter. For example, we need to display items with price less than 10 or equal to 20. Or we can filter the data by a range of values. Adding filters in the grid is quite simple. It requires just one code string. Besides the above-mentioned functionality, our grid provides a lot of other advanced features. You can see how they work browsing the numerous samples which can be found in our docs and Samples Explorer.